Hi friends, there may be times when you work with DaVinci Resolve and you open up a project and you see this dreaded message, media offline, and this big red exclamation mark can be quite scary and you see all your clips have disappeared. What's going on? Well, this basically means that DaVinci Resolve can't find your media clips, which is of course rather distressing. But generally you'll find it's just a case of the fact you've just moved them to another location. Perhaps you've got on an external drive and you've just not plugged in a drive. Simple as that. Or you may find you just rename the folder, which is generally what I do all the time. So if you see this error, how to fix it is you can either go to the actual media bin itself, right click, then go down to where it says relink clips for selected bin, or you can actually select all the clips in the bin, right click on one of the clips, go down to where it says clip operations, and then relink selected clips. Click on that, and then you can just go to the folder. And what's happened, I've just renamed it with this word done. So I'm just going to rename the folder back to what it was. And then all my media comes back to life again. Of course, if you actually put the folder or the media in another location, you just simply go to that relink again, and then just select the new location. So that's a nice and quick, easy fix. Don't worry if you see this error message, it seems more alarming than it actually is. Okay guys, hope you find this video useful, and if it is, of course, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon on another video about DaVinci Resolve.